cryptocurrency. In order to play against and replace current flawed financial system, in 2009, just in the last financial crisis, thanks to blockchain technology, an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto created a new cryptocurrency. The original outlook: Bitcoin is a centralized digital currency without a central bank or a single administrator that can be sent from user to user on peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need of intermediaries. In 2010, the first known commercial transaction using Bitcoin occurred when a programmer bought 2 Papa John's pizza for 10,000 Bitcoin, which remarked such new currency has been recognized in part of the public. After that, its price has experienced dramatic ups and downs, since more and more people and more governments globally came into this game. On the public side, they rush into this financial hype and bubbles for investing and making money as a raising new currency. Once cryptocurrency should have become the next formal currency one day in future, because they believe their participation and involvement at an early stage could help them to take best advantage of investment leverage and become rich. Many famous economists criticize it another biggest bubble in finance history though. On the government side, those financial hubs have grown incredibly from a market noise to a financial legislation challenge against the current financial system stability, which does threat the status of the central banks and the core governments in many countries by a series of technological innovations. Although a few countries have prohibited this trading in the last 5 years, interestingly, those bans should have increased the variability of bitcoins as a financial product, which in some way has enhanced the value of it in the long term. Interestingly, the expected pandemic has become another historical turning point happened. Around 2020 to 2021, central banks in many countries turned to accepting and using digital currency in a subtle way. In December 2020, the Central Bank of Sweden has become the very first authority globally to issue a digital currency, which will help the country to become the world's first cashless society. In the early 2021, China has announced the development of a national digital currency, the digital currency electronic payment. In the United States, the Fed is working actively on the same thing in the face of a complicated scenario. So, obviously, the decentralized designed digital currency is turning to be the complete opposite that will be issued by the traditional central banks. In other words, it is become its own enemy. What? To many invention, especially man-made invention, from its creation to application, from his father or mother to his users. All process can be very complicated by human intelligence and by human nature. When something great turns into something evil, who should be blamed on? Who should take responsibilities to fix? In my view, the answer is for any man-made things, no matter how advanced they are, please design a shortcut to vanish them off entirely when you created them. Thank you.